Hello everybody, this is Jeff, the Hawaiian Mechanic. Hey gang, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'll be installing a cold air intake in my 2013 Nissan Maxima. So the cold air intake that I'll be installing is from K&N, the Typhoon Intake Systems, model number 697002TTK for model years 2009 through 14 Nissan Maximas. Now, first thing we're going to take a look at is the instruction manual, and it actually is pretty extensive and pretty detailed. Kind of gives you a breakdown of all the parts and everything. Shows you where the washers and hardware, how they're installed, and in what order you need to install them. So this is really neat. It has an exploded view. And of course the instructions. I kind of went through them really quick to see if they're easy to follow, and you know, they're very basic, but the video will cover a little bit more than what is shown here. So 2 pages worth of instructions, kind of goes through the entire gamut, the tear down and the install, and also the prep. It also comes with this dyno sheet, kind of gives you some info on horsepower gains, their guarantee that you'll increase some horsepower, and of course the don't take it back to the store. Contact K&N if you have an issue. So this is the paperwork that comes with it. And then now the hardware. You have the heat shield, 2 of these intake hoses. This is your intake tube, air filter adapter. You get 2 pieces of this flexible edge trim. You have your washable filter and a bag of goodies. This is all the hardware. You got the hose clamps, washers, nuts and bolts, and some bracketry. So this is all that comes with the kit. What I'm going to do is do the initial prep, putting everything together here before we tear down. With everything kind of pre-assembled, the installation should be pretty seamless. So I'll have a link in the description below where you can get this K&N cold air intake. And like always, I'll have helpful captions throughout the video. With that said, let's start mechanicking. everything's all installed. Not very difficult to do. I think the hardest part, or the part that I had difficulty with, was the bracket here that connects to the throttle body, and just trying to get this thing lined up to secure the intake tube. But everything else is pretty straightforward. The instructions are detailed enough for anyone to follow, so. Good on K&N for having detailed instructions. Let's get her started up and listen to how it sounds like. Well, gang, there you have it. That wraps up another project. I'll have a link in the description below where you can get this K&N cold air intake. Really appreciate you guys checking out the channel and following the Project Maxima series. If you haven't already, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps the channel grow. And I have a few more things just around the corner. I'll see you guys in the next one. This is your Hawaiian Mechanic. Aloha.